Hi guys, it's at lbcards_, here. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Whoa. Okay, let's just get into the video. So I have the most cutest project chair for you guys today. I made these incredibly beautiful wands. Just so freaking cute. I'm not even sure if I'm done with them. But I did want to share them. So I wanted to make wands for the swap that I'm joining, and it all started as a idea with a heart dome. But then since I'm doing a heart dome as my like trinket box, I wanted to switch it up and do something different. So it was supposed to, I put some pom-poms around the outer edge here, and I just thought it was the cutest thing. But I decided not to go with that idea and make something else. So first of all, I have the most cutest straws from Hobby Lobby with the red foiling, and I was like, I have to make some wands with these. Okay, so what I did was, I have this heart die that I got off Temu that I use. So here's the heart die, and I just took both pieces, this bigger one and the one that's a little bit smaller than it, and I just made like little borders. And I was like thinking, hey, how about a wreath, right? So I did that with the pom-poms, and I just got some cardboard my mom gave me, and I had it laying around my room, and I was like, hey, let me do something with this cardboard. So I stacked like about 5 pieces of cardboard, and then I painted them like white. So the painting is not perfect on the back, but you know, I was thinking, you know, I don't want the brown to peek through, so I just did white. And then it was a wreath, and I was thinking like, hey, what about an ornament, you know? And I was like, no, let's make this into a wand. So I grabbed this pretty bow that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I did my little bow technique, which I have videos on that, for my for if you watch the tool bow tutorial. And I'll probably make like a separate little short on how to make a bow out of ribbon. Same concept though, so you could easily just watch that video. And I don't have measurements of these, so I don't really have a rule next to me, so I couldn't tell you how big this was. So we have the little pom-poms, and this is another way to use the pom-poms instead of making like teddy bears like I did before. And then I made a tassel out of the yarn, also from Dollar Tree. And then I made another bow to put on top of here with this button. I believe I got this from Walmart a while ago. And then I attached everything together over here. I put another little pom-pom here, and I attached it all together. And then I put a little pink pom-pom here, because like I wanted this to be like red and pink, but I wanted it to be more screaming red, and then just a dash of pink, and just a little bit of white ever so slightly here and there. And then I put a little foam heart, like I squished it, like I pressed down on it, and then I glued it on the inside of the cardboard over here. So the back is kind of messy, but we're really interested in the front, so you know. And so I made 2 of these. So I hope whoever gets my swaps really enjoys these. They're really cute in my opinion. So yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna add anything to it, but if I do, I'll post the updated picture on my Instagram. But honestly, this is so cute. So I don't think there is a need to add anything to it. So yeah. Well, this is a short little video today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me a like, comment down below what you think. Share this video, and it would be awesome if you guys join my channel and became a subscriber to be a subby. Yay. Anyways, I always want y'all to remember, always be beautiful, because you can't be beautiful without being you. Period. Excuse me, I'm still getting over my sickness. But yeah, guys, stay safe, stay warm. Later.